Today we learn about the vowels and we will study the vowels sound. We have 5 vowels. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The first vowel is letter A. Letter A sound is A. And now, let's study some words with letter A sound. Hat, cat, ant, rat, fan. And now let's revise. Fan, rat, hat. The second vowel is letter E. The letter E sound is A. Like 10, pen, egg, hen, leg. And now let's revise. The letter E sound is A. Like leg, hen, pen, pen, egg. The third vowel is letter I. The letter I sound is A. Like fet, feg, fet, egg. Now we know that letter I sound is A. Let's revise. Egg, peg, pet, egg. The fourth vowel is letter O. Letter O sound is O. Like stop, frog, nut, dog. And now let's revise. Frog, dog, stop, nut. The last vowel is letter U. Letter U sound is A. Like sun, cub, hug, bug, mug. Now we know that letter U sound is A. Like bug, cup, hug, mug.